English Hebrew, I will be.
אהיה.
Fun with the future, to be. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, good to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail the Hebrew future of to be, with jokes, rhythm, and quick wins. Buckle up, by the end you'll say it like a pro. Your goal today. Learn all 8 future forms, then flex them in mini-scenes. Say them out loud with me. I will be.
אהיה.
You will be, m.sg.
תהיה.
He will be.
הוא יהיה.
She will be.
היא תהיה.
It will be.
זה יהיה.
We will be.
נהיה.
You, plural, will be.
אתם תהיו.
They will be.
הם יהיו.
Mini dialogue. Future you is hilarious. Let's drop these into fun, real lines you can steal today. Repeat after me. Tomorrow, I will be at home.
מחר אהיה בבית.
Don't worry, you will be fine.
אל תדאג, אתה תהיה בסדר.
At noon, he will be there.
הוא יהיה שם בצהריים.
At 5, she will be here.
היא תהיה כאן ב5.
Relax, it will be okay.
זה יהיה בסדר.
We will be on time.
נהיה בזמן.
In 5 minutes, you, plural, will be on stage.
בעוד 5 דקות אתם תהיו על הבמה.
They will be ready.
הם יהיו מוכנים.
Comedy bonus. If coffee appears on time, we will be superheroes. Cape optional. Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm, your mouth will follow your hands. Ready? Aye.
אהיה.
Thye.
תהיה.
Ye.
הוא יהיה.
Slash.
זה יהיה.
Thye, she.
היא תהיה.
Nihye.
נהיה.
Tihyu.
אתם תהיו.
Yu.
הם יהיו.
Culture tip. It'll be okay. In Israel you'll hear this all the time, use it wisely. Say, it will be okay, like a local.
יהיה בסדר.
Present tense often drops, to be, but in the future you need it, like.
זה יהיה.
It will be interesting. Speed drills. Lightning round, repeat fast and proud. I will be ready soon.
עוד מעט אהיה מוכן.
You will be a doctor.
אתה תהיה רופא.
She will be the leader.
היא תהיה המנהיגה.
We will be at the museum.
מחר אנחנו נהיה במוזיאון.
You, plural, will be champions.
אתם תהיו אלופים.
They will be on time.
הם יהיו בזמן.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud, no peeking. You've got this. Q1. How do you say, it will be, in Hebrew? A.
זה יהיה.
Q2. Translate, we will be. A.
נהיה.
Q3. She will be, is. A.
היא תהיה.
Q4. Give the form for, you, plural, will be. A.
אתם תהיו.
Q5. Say, he will be there at noon. A.
הוא יהיה שם בצהריים.
Challenge time. Your turn. Make it personal and funny. 1. Promise something for tomorrow using, I will be, e.g., I will be your breakfast hero. Then say it in Hebrew with.
אהיה.
2. Encourage a friend with, you will be, m.sg, use.
תהיה.
3. Talk about your team. We will be ready by morning, with.
נהיה.
Wrap up. Nice work, you just future-proofed your Hebrew. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
אהיה, תהיה, הוא יהיה, היא תהיה, זה יהיה, נהיה, אתם תהיו, הם יהיו.
This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Find more lessons, drills, and laughs at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.